Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. Before I jump into the Triple Q charts for today, please click like if you like the new daily Triple Q report. This will be coming out every day along with the Daily Spy, uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, usually by 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Chicago, each and every trading day for the next trading day. So if you like the series, please click like each and every time. It helps me out a great deal. And click subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, provided your notification settings are on, will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded by the Wicked Stocks, to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. And that includes the Daily Spy Report, the Daily Triple Q Report, at least one free stock pick a week, and also other, extracurricular, videos that I put out on the U.S. dollar and gold and so forth and so on an occasional basis. Bitcoin as well. Anyway, let's take a look at today's charts for the Triple Q. This is sort of a kind of a big picture reminder of what I've been mentioning over the last day or two, is that we have a descending channel top at 400.62 today that can contain weekly buying pressures, and below which this market is susceptible to falling back, to rotating south again into the 360s at 368.36 channel bottom. Not out of the question again over the next week or two, so long as we continue holding below 400.62. Let's zoom in a little bit, and you can see that we have the 392 handle support that we actually did test yesterday. We've got 392.34 is the high of the low. Yesterday's low was 91.88, so we dipped below it a bit. 92.06 is a 3/8 Fibonacci downside retracement from, what was it, last week's low? It seems like a long time ago, but it was just last week's low, that move low, that meaningful low off the Omicron news. That was the low that was put out about 5, 6, 7 trading days ago against Thursday's high. So on the way down, the 3/8 Fibonacci is 392.06. So the 392.06 to 34 area can contain selling into later week. And from here, over the next few days, we can rally back up to the 400.62 formation. We could trade inside that wedge through the rest of the week. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. You can see the 392.06 to 34 area represented here, able to contain selling into later week, and above which 400.62 is likely over the next few days, so long as we continue holding above 392.34. Now on the way up, we've got minor points up to 398.43 is a stronger minor point. It is in reach today above 392.34. It can contain intraday buying pressures, and we could fall off from there for a part of the day. But if we push through 398.43, then that 400.62 channel top is in reach today, where once again we can place a weekly high. And as I say, so long as we continue trading below it, closing below it, the market can fall off into later December, early January, and actually test that 368.36 level. But if we close above 400.62, then we should, over the next, or inside of 2 to 3 weeks, reach once again, that 413.96 longer-term channel top. On the way up, 403.99 can contain initial buying pressures. 408.71 is a 2 to 3 day target. If we close above 400.62, that is the move high. I believe that was November 22nd, 408.71, able to contain daily buying pressures when tested, so forth and so on. So those are the levels, kind of the more notable levels on the way up if we were to close above 400.62. But that's kind of a big if right now. I mean, yesterday's activity, not much of a bounce off that 392 handle support. And if we happen to break or open below it today, and I can show you that with the support and resistance, 387.04 not out of the question today if we break or open below 392.06. And if we close below 392.06, 383.13 becomes a 2 to 3 day target. And that is nothing more than the low settlement price from 5 or 6 trading days ago when we actually put the move low out that day. 383.13, a 2 to 3 day target if we close today below 392.06. And honestly, if we close below 392.06, I do think you've got a realistic 2 to 3 week downside framework for falling into, let's just call it the low 370s, because you have kind of a new channel bottom now that remains in effect if we don't trade higher from here. 373.94 dropping daily will converge over the next week with that 368.36 longer term channel bottom, which is rising daily. And that area, I think, should be respected for its attainability over the next 2 to 3 weeks if we close today below 392.06. And as I said from the very start, holding below that 400.62 channel top will keep 368.36 in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks anyway. It's just that closing below 392.06 would be a sort of it would affirm that. It would actually more clearly indicate it and make it even more likely that we would actually fall to 368.36. But until then, there's the very real possibility, as I say, that we could hold 392.06, rally up to 400.62 over the next day, 2 or 3, and trade inside that narrowing wedge all the way through the week. And then we have pivot points. We have directional indicators, downside below 392.06 if settled below, upside above 400.62 if settled above. I think that kind of covers it. I'll leave you with the support and resistance levels for today, and you can print those off of your smartphone or your desktop PC so you can use these through the day. All the minor points are carefully chosen, well suited for aggressive day traders, and I think that that's about it. Please click like. Please click subscribe. They both help me out a great deal. I appreciate you watching these on a daily basis, and I will be back tomorrow for Wednesday's daily Triple Q report. You have a great evening.